Hi everyone, in this video we will compare Grok and SuperGrok. Grok and SuperGrok are AI tools designed to help you get answers, generate text, and complete tasks faster, but they are made for slightly different users and needs. Grok is a smart and easy to use assistant that understands your questions and provides clear, helpful responses quickly. You can use it for everyday tasks like research, writing summaries, brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, or explaining concepts. It works well for students, professionals, or anyone who want reliable, quick information without having to deal with complicated commands or setups. Grok is simple, intuitive, and gets straight to the point. SuperGrok is built for users who need more power and advanced features. It provides stronger performance, deeper reasoning, and longer, more detailed outputs. This makes it ideal for long-form writing, complex problem-solving, creative projects, and professional work where quality and depth are more important than speed alone. SuperGrok is designed to handle heavier workloads and generate structured, polished results even for challenging tasks. When using them, Grok is great for simple, fast, everyday use where you just need answers or quick writing help. SuperGrok is better if you want higher quality outputs, more advanced reasoning, and the ability to tackle complex or detailed tasks efficiently. For individual users, Grok offers a free basic plan, making it easy to start without spending anything. SuperGrok has a $30 plan for regular use and a SuperGrok Heavy plan at $300 for users who want to full power and priority access. Perfect for heavy users or those who rely on AI daily. For businesses, Grok offers a business plan at $30, which is useful for teams, shared access, and professional collaboration. It gives companies the ability to manage multiple users, maintain privacy, and take advantage of AI tools for productivity and content generation across the team. Overall, Grok is worth it if you want a reliable, easy-to-use AI assistance for everyday tasks and basic writing. SuperGrok is worth it if you need advanced capabilities, more detailed answer, and strong performance for professional or high-demand work. Your choice depends on whether you need a simple assistance or a more powerful AI tool for complex tasks. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.